streets.
Seymour Speed from Seymour Speed Racing. Why? For so long, you know, we're not even so sure. But somewhere in the 20 odd bracket, like 21, 22, somewhere there. And we love it ever since. We don't really want to disclose the age now, but from ever since. Well, professionally racing quite a long time now. I guess first hand, and Marvin Irons is actually from way back, you know, when we actually just building the center back then. And any little thing we're afraid of for testing, you know, Marvin a little more, I always go out and test it. So I say, all right, then ready. So, you know, everything good. So I would say like, probably like somewhere in the 25 age bracket, you know, we went professional. We have the blue center that we start out from. And then we do a time of 12.7 and we say we're going to the 80 wagon. So that was a good look away. Well, I guess from back then was like with the 80 wagon, usually, you know, have like Big Rat, usually, you know, Xavier Murray from Mandeville was a good competition at that time. Spoon was there, you know, not too much at that time, but we used to do little competition here and then still, you know. But like now with the Sentra, the green car, you know, say, you know, it's a different ball game. We have man like Swiffy. Well, we beat him already, you understand. I guess him actually coming strong this meet, so we really don't really give out a shout out like Omar, you know, but we coming, you understand, and we're not coming light. We're doing a few adjustments to the car. We never really run through the engine-wise from a long time, because we'll be running a long time, so I decided to run through it before this meet. So, you know, if all been well and we hope, then, you know, we come in full gun. I guess we have like, well, I wouldn't say squaddy, you understand. Omar already did that. But quite a few people. So, you know, we not really, we don't let those be scary to us, you know, because we always prepare. So I guess there should be the one for have we as a rival, so, you know. But that's far as it goes. I guess over the years, the memorable time and the memorable moment is when you're winning and the car not giving any trouble. You understand? We have a few troubles sometimes, but when the car is running and it winning, and as long as the tuner put it where to go, then my foot will lay at the board. But I guess with me and like Omar now, Omar is mostly a driver. I fix and drive, so once I go out there and the problem, I'm going back out of it. I'm not going to kill the motor, you understand? So I guess as long as the tuner put it where to go and then everything is up, my foot is on the board. So that is the memorable time. Well, to be frank, the green car really is a monster. So we actually, any time we go in racing, we have to put it on a record and all of that. So I don't really want to get out of the fun, because that is my, you know, pleasure time and fun time. So we build the all motor for anything and everything and almost ready anytime. So, you know, that's the reason for, you know, more than one car. So we can still stay in it, have some fun. If one is down, then we're out and up and running. Well, the reason for that, I'm not saying Honda is not good or Toyota or anything like that, but I actually graduated with Nissan a good while now, and that's what I know. And I don't really do a mechanic as a profession. I do electrical engineering. So most of the time, I don't really have the time for that. Most people think I'm an all-out mechanic, but I'm not. You know, it's just fun, and I study it, and I know. So I just leave it there as a Nissan. Best quarter mile time, my green car run 9.8. I run it at 9.9. Omar run it at, I give Omar in the early days, bringing him up, you know, sending him out, you know, put him to where he is now and everything like that, you know. He run it at 9.8 and I run it at 9.9. Well, the goal that I'm after is 9.1. And I don't really want to go in the 9 second. Most of the time when Omar is in there, I try to stay in the 10 and we win both class. If I'm going in the 9, I should be down there low. So we're working on that. So by the end of this race term, we should be there. Well, Jag Rival, you know, Ken T, big up yourself every time. You know, it's a nice event to keep the motion going. Well, for now, the green car is not completely ready yet, so I wouldn't make any call out with that. But we have a Hall motor that running 12.0 now with some NAS, and we try to get it in the 12 Hall motor and then running in the 11. This me coming. Here we have some clutch setup that we're going to actually put inside it to get everything out of it. I'm actually working on it now, today. Well, make a run with Van, I think Old Harbour before. You actually get away and feel that, you know, him run me at the full best. So we actually need him out this drag rival. So tell him to get himself together and we're ready. Qualify, testing, anything, we're there, we're ready. So I'm calling him out, you know, as we speak. So with the green car, when that's ready, then you know it go. We will call out whosoever. But for now, it's Van. Well, the specs on the green car, which is the Atessa, the Badman thing, very simple. It's a stock Nissan black, which, you know, I guess most of the underman them really can't run it stock. The setup is a stock bore, running like a 65, 62 precision turbo, and not ball bearings, it's journal, and just simple head studs and some CP pistons. You know, other application there, you know, maybe you might not disclose, but it's simple, you know, and we're running like Elite, Altec Elite setting on it. And the tuner is Howard, you know, Monteith, very good at him thing. And we try to make it very reliable at times. So I guess, well, the drivetrain now, we actually moved from the Nissan drivetrain to the Evo drivetrain, so we're running like the Evolution gearbox. We put on the Evolution back diff, as you can see, and you know, pretty much stronger than the Nissan, so we actually get to burn out the car and run the car, you know, more aggressive. So, you know, that's mainly it, you know, and you know, it's good. It's good like that, so we just make it stay there. All right, as you can see, we have the Hall motor, and as you can see, I don't left my helmet because I'm ready for it. So drag rival, we actually, you know, anticipating and waiting. As you can see, this one is for Van, as we tell you. Simple setup, you know, Nissan VVL SR20 stock bore. We have in some N1 cams. We use like Altec Sport 1000, and you know, well, we tune it more time, and then we have specs in Kingston who tune it. Once we build it, we tune it. So it's actually ready and waiting to go, you understand? The only thing we need is a clutch setup, which we actually showed you earlier, and that's for Van again. Well, very simple. We have on a stock Nissan gearbox. We might do a little thing to it here and there, and that's about it. You know, it's pretty much that. But we actually anticipating a good time this week with it. So. For Jag Rival 2, we're coming, and you, as usual, you know you can expect a whole lot of things from the Seymour Cam team. Omar from Chemtech, bad and ready, big and ready. So all the 9-second man them we want to take the trophy and whatever money, he's there, come and get it. You understand? So, you know. And I say Seymour team, very big. So we're there and ready. And I guess our back is broad, so anything, you know. As we actually tell you, the all motor there and ready for VAD. So I guess him saying is the bad K motor man, so we're up and ready and waiting for it.
March 31st, Jag Rivals, see you there.
We'll be there. You can expect a whole lot for this Jag Rival too. So. Well, of course, you know, the Nissan team first of all. Chemtech Racing, that's we also, you know, with the Pulsar, bring it from way back when. Remember Robert Murray from out of Mandeville with the AD wagon, running pretty much good. I build the motor, we actually, you know, do things together with it. Rennie too with the Red Nismo, running good. We do quite a few setup on that for it. Spoon also the undercam, you know, anything we always share information, so we're good like that, you understand? But the only thing when we're on the track, you know it go, we work it. You know, Toyota, same way, John's, you know, he's doing very good, you know, and everything, so big up to them every time. Yeah, last but not least, I almost forget, very icon, you know, in the racing and all of that, he actually dropped out King Curb. Must say, boy, big up every time, anywhere you're at, you know, you're always a good competitor, always a good friend, always at the meet. So, you know, this Jag Rival 2, we actually Seymour team cam, right out, King Curb, every time. We actually winning and doing everything, you know, towards King Curb. So, big up. We up and ready and with 76th Street, big up every time. MP Racing, we're coming.